Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Ivy here for Monday's Marvelous Book Talk. Today I'm sharing with you The Lion of Mars. If you like the Stuart Gibbs books and the Space Case and things like that, then you will love this one. It's kind of along those same lines. So in this one, Bell has spent his whole entire life, all 11 years of it, on Mars. But he's still just a regular kid. He likes cats and he loves cake and he's curious about a lot of things. For example, he's curious about why the adults of the U.S. colony are keeping so many secrets. Like, why don't they have contact with any of the other Mars colonies? And why are they so isolated? So when a virus breaks out and all of the grown-ups fall ill, Bell and the other children are the only ones who can help. So it's up to Bell, who is just a regular kid living in a very different world, to uncover the truth and save his family and possibly unite the whole entire planet. So can he do it? To find out, read The Lion of Mars. This is Miss Ivy coming at you from your Wayside Library.